Talk, or you'll be something to sneeze at.
No way! I'm a parrot, not a stool pigeon. Okay, I'm a stool pigeon! I'm a stool pigeon! Okay, you know how Jafar was always dragging me around looking for some magic thing or other? Well, one time we were in this quaint little seaside village. Best darn clam chowder I ever had, and such charming people.
Iago, get to the point!
Anyway, that's where I heard about the Orb of Mackinac. It's the cure-all for genies.
How do we get it?
Well, that's where the danger part comes in. You've got to go into the Cavern of Mackinac and pass these 3 insidious obstacles. Of course, no one's ever done it.
You mean no one has yet?
Hello! Wake up and smell the calamity! The Cavern of Mackinac is a safety no-no.
Oh! My friend needs help.
Stop right there! You've got that let's put the bird in jeopardy look in your eye!
Iago, you know I'd never ask you to do anything dangerous.
Really? Ow!
So I won't ask.
I knew there was a catch.
Watch over Genie, okay, guys?
We will.
I'll be back as soon as I can, pal. Hang in there.
Thanks, Hal. I appreciate it.
Okay, Carpet, let's go.
Is there anything we can get you?
Some of my mom's chicken soup.
Are you sure we're heading the right way?
Trust me, I'm part homing pigeon.
And part stool pigeon. You're more pigeon than parrot.
Drags me into spine-mangling peril, then mocks my lineage. What a pal. Huh, look! The island of Mackinac. Told you so.
So, the orb is in there?
Yeah, but let me remind you of the 3 great obstacles of Mackinac.
I remember. What happens if we fail?
What do you think happens? A warm handshake and a hearty fare thee well? No! It's wham! And we're mushy paste!
Mushy paste?
Not unlike hummus.
We don't have any choice. Genie's depending on us to get that orb.
I hate spider webs. I hate spiders. So many legs. What's wrong with just 2 legs?
Easy, Iago. We're barely inside. Wow. Well, I don't see any obstacle.
Who dares disturb the slumber of Mackinac?
I'm going out on a limb here, but I think that just might be an obstacle now.